Cell phone deduction, business use percentage. Federal tax deductions for content creators, Segment 6, cell phone deductions and business use. This video is part of a multi-segment series that breaks down federal tax deductions for self-employed content creators earning income from platforms like YouTube and the Amazon Influencer Program. A complete list of all segments, along with links to each one, can be found in the video description, allowing you to watch the full series in order or jump directly to specific topics. Before we begin, please note that this content is provided for informational and educational purposes only. While this material is based on detailed research and current tax guidelines, it is not intended to replace professional tax, legal, or financial advice. Tax laws can change, and individual situations vary. You are responsible for verifying information and consulting with a qualified professional regarding your own circumstances. Now let's talk about cell phone deductions. For most content creators, a cell phone is a mixed-use expense. That means it is used for both personal and business purposes. The IRS allows you to deduct the business portion of your cell phone expenses, but not the personal portion. This requires you to determine a reasonable percentage of business use. For example, if you use your phone to film short clips, manage social media accounts, communicate with brands, upload content, and handle business messages, that portion of use can be considered business use. If you also use the same phone for personal calls, texts, and entertainment, that portion is not deductible. Many creators find that a business use percentage around 50% is reasonable and defensible, but the correct percentage depends on how you actually use your phone. What matters is that the percentage reflects reality and can be explained if asked. Claiming 100% business use on a personal phone is risky unless you truly use the phone exclusively for business. The IRS is aware that most people with a single phone use it personally as well. If you want to deduct 100% of phone expenses, the safest approach is to have a separate phone or line used only for business. In that case, the entire cost of that phone and its service plan can generally be deducted. With a mixed-use phone, you may deduct the business portion of monthly service charges, data plans, and even the cost of the phone itself. For example, if you purchase a phone for $800 and determine that 50% of its use is business-related, you may deduct $400 as a business expense. That deduction may be taken through depreciation or, in many cases, expensed in the year of purchase. The IRS no longer treats cell phones as restricted listed property, but documentation is still important. Keeping copies of your phone bills and making notes about how you arrived at your business use percentage can help support your deduction. You do not need to track every call minute by minute, but you should be able to explain your reasoning in a clear and reasonable way. Be sure to join us next time as we talk about another essential expense for online creators, internet service and utilities, including how they interact with the home office deduction.